everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you so much for joining me here. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here at SUI, seeing what's going on. We're going to quickly double check some backend data and see kind of where we're at here on the charts. Also, thank you again to my community members for just some awesome feedback. Really have a great group here, so deeply appreciate you. And I hope that you can learn something here today. We've got an awesome group of people, traders, everything alike in our Discord, so be sure to check that out. CryptoCash.tech if you're curious about our Trading Academy community and Signals group. Taking some nice profits for shorts last week. This week, we're kind of shifting gears potentially. A little too early to tell, but there's a few good potential longs out there, including SUI looking pretty strong. So let's quickly note here, $1.20, $1.40. Pretty heavy accumulation of long liquidation. Shorts are getting destroyed here as we speak, and we can see roughly $2 as the next point of interest. Now, if we zoom out a little bit here, we can see that this is fairly uncharted territory, but we are retesting this most recent high at about 197. Okay, so big picture here, there's a solid chance we could very well see a retest with a potential pullback. Sometimes it's cup and handle where the price channels out and inevitably takes off, right? We're still very premature in that sense, but the truth is we're retesting this most recent high. A lot of times it's retested and initially rejected, which we could see has happened already. Let's look at a few things though, just to double check. We're over all moving averages. We have broken this descending trend. Things are looking very good here for this coin. Okay, so there's no other way around it. SUI looks very strong. If we double check a couple of key factors here on the daily, we can see that we are stochastically swinging up. Money flow index is highish, and of course RSI just behind. When you have a high RSI and money flow index above that, it's a very bullish sign. So I like to see that. Same thing here with traditional MACD. We're 3 days into this continuation. We had an MACD-FU on March 18th when the price of Bitcoin pulled back pretty aggressive. So cool thing is this coin keeps wicking down, but not really crossing this 0.382 fib level at 146, 150, letting us know that that $150 range is a pretty important support range. If we zoom in a little bit here, let's look at the 4 hour, a little easier to identify. We go ahead and see roughly where we're at here with volume. What do you know? We can see a heavy concentration between 150 and 152. Okay, so that's again reaffirming that support. So strong probability this support level here we drew out previously will continue to hold. 4 hour time frame, stochastic is swinging down. It's a bit on the maxed out side. We're about 6, 7 4 hour candles into this continuation. Could see a pullback. If so, it would make sense for it to come down to this 0.618 level, effectively hold it above this golden pocket between 0.618 and 0.65. That's $1.66. So that may be a solid consideration for entry if the price pulls back to that level. Now, looking at the RSI, we can see we're under 70 and money flow index is above it. This is also a very positive contributing factor. Now, you could probably tell yourself or think out loud, wait, we're getting close to 70. Isn't that a place in which you want to sell? Generally, that's the concept, but that's not necessarily the best practice. You want to see if it breaks through that level. If it does, then you sell at 70 when it comes back down. We're a little premature, a little early in that regard, but the truth is the price is still under 70 on the RSI, and the price is still continuing higher and getting close to this recent resistance. So the common rule of thumb in these situations is to kind of be patient, for one, but for two, to review this as a very positive sign, right? Because we're getting close to a previous resistance level. We're getting close to 70 on the RSI. Breaking through the level would be phenomenal. Again, phenomenal in the sense that would give us confirmation it's going to continue. Not phenomenal because we haven't gotten there yet, right? So again, I get where your mind's at. Don't even need to go there. The truth here, though, is that we can see traditional RSI, what we talked about previously, is good. When we look at stochastic RSI, or just in this general more so, conversion line being above the baseline, lagging span free and clear, and of course being above the cloud, these are all positive contributing factors, letting us know the price action should continue higher and that you shouldn't consider closing your long position yet. Okay? So if you're in profit right now, you want to hold that profit, adjust your stop loss higher to ensure you can secure profit if it does pull back. But the bottom line here, folks, is that this coin does not look like it wants to pull back. We have this ascending type of pattern here, and this kind of channel that you see here is typically a bullish breakout. Okay, a lot of times the price will come up like this, continue higher until it squeezes out and then inevitably breaks. This leading into a recent high leads me to believe we're going to probably see this level here at about 197 retested, and then this $2 mark will probably be the next target for the longs. So again, that's it's up to you if you want to try to get in. It's about 5% away as a rough estimate. I personally don't love buying channels that are this high and this overextended, but if you look at how well this is doing, contrary to Bitcoin's at 65,600. This coin is hardly even pulling back at all. So it's a very strong probability the price is going to continue higher for SUI. Okay, so it's looking pretty good. So as to what you want to do with it, it's up to you, but use good risk tolerance and make sure that you're taking profits while you can. This market, you never truly know. It's important to recognize that you're in good shape here if you consider along with this coin. You have much better probability for success taking along with SUI than you do a short. Just generally how it works. I hope that this makes sense and I described this correctly. Thank you so much again for watching, folks, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Quick little summaries, though, here. SUI is a good trade coin to take on Bitunix. Phenomenal exchange, link down below, $5,500 in benefit rewards. You use my link to register. I like to mention this because our community members, we have a lot of new members coming over, and they have KYC and VPN requirements because they're in the US and Canada. This exchange doesn't require that. It's a very, very excellent exchange. So thank you for providing this opportunity to our committee. And thank you, too, for liking the video and watching and following along and getting to know our community better. We got a great group over there. Thanks again. We'll see you all in the next one. Have a good rest of your day.